I'm so sad. I thought they would have stuff out, but it looks like they're just setting up, so give it another week or two. No, it's bare.
2 weeks later.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at home. We're gonna check out some Halloween stuff. So let's get to it. Let's get to it. Here we go. So excited. Yes, they finally have everything up. Look at this amazing blow up. That is so cool for $250. Look at this awesome dragon. He is so cool. He is only $149 and it looks like his wings move. Super neat. Look at these fun eyeballs. And this cool spider. Look how big this spider is. And this is only $100. He is super big. Like, look at that. It's ginormous. Here's the back end of the dragon. So he's super big. And then they have this cool guy. He's $100. Look at his face. That is awesome. And this little pop-up one, he's $69. And he goes in. Let's see if we can catch him going in and popping back out. Oh, there he goes. He's going inside the pumpkin. See you later. Alright, so on to the decor. They have these skulls, which are awesome. These are $2.99 and they have every color. I'm gonna go down to the first section. They have these potion bottles, $4.99. Snake venom. Vampire droll. These are so cool. This little hocus pocus one, $4.99. They have the different colored pumpkin bags, the little cauldrons. Look at this cool frog. These are this is a candle holder. This one is really cute. This is a candle holder as well. It's $10. They have some decorations if you have a tree. And then we have some little signs. Very cute. Look at this cool pillows for $15. And look at this awesome spellbook ingredients. These look like they're candles. Yep, they're candles. And those are $7.99. They have these cool wreaths. They're $20. This is really awesome. I am like loving skulls. This is only $10 and that's really big. Get the little witch's boots. Look at this cool pumpkin. It says it lights up. So let me see if I can find a button. Or you probably gotta pull the tab. I don't wanna mess with that. That's really cute. They have one with a snake on it. And then this green different colored one. Here are the bigger cauldrons for $34. Look at that awesome white snake. It's pretty cool. And the witch is in. I like that sign. So these are like, we'll get to the yard signs, but look at this cool pillow. This is $24. This little bat pillow, he's so nice and soft. I don't know how much it is. I don't see a tag. They have more of the decor. And I love Jack the Pumpkin. Jack Skeleton with on the pumpkin. And he is $29. I have this one that I got last year and I love it. It's 60 bucks, but it is so awesome. They have the cool gnomes. I have one of these guys too, but these are new this year. Oh, it looks like it lights up. Look at that, his eyes glow. He's awesome. I really like him. And then they have a purple one. And then they have the mom holding the little baby. They have these cool witches that are $21. Let me check them out. It says they light up, garden witches. That one's not working. This one's not working either. They have some ghosts. These are on sale for $17.99. They're blow-up pieces. And then they have some of the different colored pumpkins. Some light up, some don't. To the garden decor. That is really cute for $20. They have this little boo van. The skeleton haunted hay rides. They even have these little ones for $2.99. These eyeballs are $8. They have this big Happy Halloween sign. That's $40. And they have the little signs, $5.99. The gnome is $7. The skeleton one. They have this skeleton one too. He's pretty neat. I like the Happy Halloween. Trick or treat. So these are really fun. Look at this big skull. He's $11. The pumpkin's $21. These big pumpkins for your porch are $129. They're really heavy. I can't pick it up. And they have another porch sign. They have some nice pillows. This one is really cute. Again, I don't see a price on it. They have some blankets. They have the skull. And I love the skeleton, Mr. Bones. Okay, so let me see if I can fit. It's $34. And I'm gonna try to get my finger in here. So his eyes light up. I'm so short, I can barely see. So I'm gonna walk back to show you how big he is. And his eyes glow. And he's $35. They have these awesome gargoyles. Look how big this one is. He's $129. They have the awesome lights. Let's see. Ooh, look at that one. That's pretty cool. I've never seen them like disc. I've just seen them circle ones. So those are cool. They have a, bring this down. This one is the Hocus Pocus one. That is pretty cool. I like that. I'm a big fan. I'm so excited about the new Hocus Pocus coming out. They have Jack the Skeleton, Nightmare Before Christmas. Got all the characters on here. This is pretty cool. They have these little ghost lawn ornaments, and they also have the pumpkin ones. Then we have the white pumpkins, so they can be up for Halloween or fall. In fall season, we got these big pumpkins. I love this pillow. It's very rustic, along with these loud kids. Cute little gnomes. So we have these ones. They have the little fluffy ones. These little guys are only $2.99. They're really cute. I like making them. Look at these sunflowers. And they have the big fluffy gnomes up here. And look at these. These are really pretty. These are $21.99. They have little scarecrows here. And then the welcome sign. Look how cute this little pumpkin cart is. That's really cute. And I love this wooden gnome. That's awesome. That pumpkin cart's $50. I love this. Oh my gourd. I love fall. So cute. I just want to see how much these are. Does it have a tag? These are only $12.99. They are so cute and so big. I love that. And then the little pumpkin one is $19.99. So we have more pillows. Let me pull out this one. This is cool. It's a really long one. I love that mat. It's only $12.99. They have these little ghost candles. This beaded pillow. That's $18. I have that blue sign up there as well for my porch. I have these cute little pumpkins for $12.99. Look how cute this one is. Creepy. Then they have the stack ones for $20. And let me see if this works. No, he's $17.99. The little glass jars. These ones are $6.99. So many different ones. Look at this guy. He's 40. He's awesome looking. They have the haunted house pillow. More of these little fluffy ones. Welcome to the haunted house sign. That's cute. Those trees are $50. And look at those big ghosts. Let me see if I can get one of them to light up. So you see the eyes glow. And not sure how much this guy is. Oh, $45. So he's pretty big and it glows inside. They have these cool little haunted house ones for 20 bucks. Look at these little skeleton guys. I like this one with the black pumpkin. $11.99 and they light up as well. Let's see, that one's not working. Try always try to get one that works so I can show you guys, but they're not working. Look at this little farmhouse one. That is so cute. I love that. That's 20 bucks. They have the little welcome gnome signs. Look at this awesome pillow, this skeleton driving. He's only $12.99. That's a great pillow for decor. You're making crafts. They have these little gnome ones for $1.49. They're so cute. This creepy little guy, $6. If you want all black pumpkins. And succulent. I love succulents. Look at this one. $6. That's awesome. And then they have the black succulents by themselves. This one is really light styrofoam. It's $5. This one's cool too. This one's $8. And they have the little Grim Reaper, the one with the bat, and then the welcome porch signs. I have a couple of these glass pumpkins. They're so pretty. I use them for fall and Halloween. And they range from big to little. I don't see the big ones out. And then look at these pretty cool, I've never seen the tall ones like this. And it says it lights up. So I'm not sure how that works. I don't see a button to push. And I'm not sure. I'll have to figure it out. This cat down here, he's $75 and his head and tail move. The one behind it is the boo sign for $80. We have this skull with the crow, $80. This haunted tree, look how tall that one is, that's $100. And then the spider's $129. I still think I like the blow up ones behind me. And last, I found the new floor mats. Let me see if I can, I'm so short, so I'm on my tippy toes to show you guys. Welcome Witch. I showed you that one, and then here are more of the big ones. I have this one. I love it. It's so beautiful. Just have to be careful around kids, so I put it far back on my fireplace. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on notifications. Have a great night.